Okay, where is that newspaper? Aha! This is the newspaper I bought. What is that? What? What? Blood! I'm gonna shoot you right now. No! Oh. Uh. Okay. This was really weird. Well, whatever. Bum 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 bum. I'm gonna prank him. Best prank ever! Uh, uh, what? 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 Ah! You okay? No! Ah! You're not allowed to kill. Oh no! Ah! Ah! What was that? Like, what the heck, dude? The heck? Oh, God. That was weird. It's closed? It was the best restaurant ever in Italy. Why? Okay, let's check out this newspaper this guy could buy. Put your hands up. What? Why? I didn't do anything. I'm gonna have to set off this grenade. No! Ow! Ah! Well, the end. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe.